So hello everyone, once again welcome to another video. So here I have students from Gujarat. So he will share his experience, like the course, which course you have joined. So I have one small introduction about you.
Okay, so here I am Sid Tejani from Gujarat, Surat, and I landed in Milan on 17th of December.
So it is approximately 10-15
Yeah,
days.
it's maybe 14th day in here.
14 days. Okay. So which course you have joined?
I joined Master in Industrial Design, which is a specializing master from Polemi.
Polemi,
So
Bovisa
basically it's
campus.
Bovisa campus,
So
Poly Design.
can you give some small summary about your course? What is this
Okay,
course?
so I did my mechanical. I did my bachelor in mechanical, and industrial is basic like if you want something to design, and somebody design that, or you have to manufacture that. So we are the bridge between the designer and the engineers. So we have to focus on the both, like how concepts are made and how the things are work and which are the materials and mechanism are used. So little bit of engineering and little bit of design.
Okay. So what was your percentage in bachelor?
I have a CGPA like in
Yes.
our region. There is a CGPA. So my CGPA is 7.65 in my bachelor,
7.65.
and I did diploma also.
Okay.
So in that thing, my CGPA is 8.32.
So you did diploma after your bachelor or?
No. First, after 10th, I did the diploma, then
okay.
degree. So 6 year of engineering.
6 year of engineering. That's good, because many students sometimes they will ask that they have did a diploma.
Yeah, you can come after diploma and do here bachelor. Like many of my juniors is here,
Okay.
and the education here is very good. Like my personal experience is very good.
Okay. So this is the course about your designing.
Yeah.
So why you selected this course? Means what you search about like job and something. How is
Like
the future?
first, it's my personal interest. First of all, like I want to become a designer from the age of 10 maybe.
Okay.
Like from at the time of understand the thing, and then I search for the different countries. Like I also look for the Canada, USA, and Singapore. But here in Milan, Italy is a hub of design, and the best thing is I'm in the university which rank in all over the world is 6th. So why not
in the field of
in
design?
in the field of design? So why not? There is no reason to decline the offer.
Yes. So and the second thing is that whenever you are thinking to study in Italy, we have the scholarship. So
Yeah.
I heard that you are paying the fees, tuition fees.
Yes, like in a design field here in specifically Italy, there is a very small or few university give you the scholarship, which is the
Okay.
regional scholarship.
Okay.
Other than that, you have to pay around 10,000 euro on an average, 10,000 to 16.
Per year or?
It's depend upon college. So
Okay.
like in my college, I have to pay 11,500 for my whole course. So it's a
even-
14-month course.
So 14-month course. So even in Polemi, you are paying the fees.
Yeah,
No
like,
scholarship.
it's
Really, it is.
it's like a little bit of drawback kind of something, but the things I will getting from here, it's very large. So
Okay.
maybe it's worth it. Maybe.
Okay. So because it is totally new to me, because
Yes.
I thought that you have the scholarship and all, and
Yeah, like I also thought when I applying for Italy, I also thought the same. But like after I know you can apply, but there is some terms and condition in here,
Okay.
so it is not possible to get the scholarship.
So what is your plan after your graduation, for example? I know it's not the right time to ask because it has been
Yeah,
the
like
beginning for you.
for the now, I am little bit confused as you say, but maybe to find a job here, or because there are like lots of design studio here in Milan, in Italy or in Germany, in all like I'm talking about the European Union in general. So maybe I shift to the another country, maybe I stay here. It's a totally depend upon my last internship program. Like we have to do internship after 6 months from now.
Okay.
And so it's depend totally upon internship.
Okay. So for example, if some students have like a CGPA 7.5 or something, they can easily apply.
Yeah, like to get admission here in Sapienza University and Polemi kind of thing, it is little bit hard to with that percentage. But if you are like if you want University of Bari, which is very good, and like I think it is on the 165 all over the world. QS ranking is 165. So it is okay. It is very easy to get admission.
Very easy.
Comparatively,
Because
like
many
if you
students-
are
Because
if you,
many students will say that getting admission in Polmi is quite difficult.
yeah,
when compared.
but like see the what I say, like the ranking is all over the world. So like they ask for the like how you can judge any people on the basis.
Yes. So for the admissions, do they take any test or some interview or something like that?
For me, there is a one interview, and they ask for my portfolio. Like if you are a designer or related to design field, so you know that you have to present the portfolio.
Yes.
So in my admission process is like that. First, I have to submit my all the bachelor's and diploma document. Then I have to I have to show them my CV with that.
CV
And yeah, so after that they ask me for my portfolio and then the interview round.
Okay.
So
After
professor.
that interview,
After
they
that,
get
yeah, they
confirmation.
get the confirmation.
Then you applied for the visa, and
And
also
then-
already I had made a
Yeah.
video on the visa,
It's
which
quite-
we struggle and so I think this is the things and which is related to your course, and it is totally new to me. Even I am learning from you.
Oh no, it's like
No,
we all
because-
are learning from
yes.
each other.
No,
So
yes.
like I suggest you just if you are planning to come Italy, just take a risk. Like don't take a like ऐसे हम ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते कि हाँ चलो आ जाओ, बट थोड़ा रिसर्च करके स्टडी करके आओ, बहुत मज़ा आता है यहाँ पे. और एंड आई सजेस्ट कि लैंग्वेज का थोड़ा वहीं से करके आओ, तो यहाँ आके उतना स्ट्रगल कम करना पड़े. लाइक हम दोनों भाई अभी बहुत स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं लैंग्वेज की भाषा में. लाइक
So
यहाँ की लैंग्वेज थोड़ी hard है.
a small suggestion from your side. For example, if some students they are applying and they got rejected, so they should reapply or no?
Yeah, I like I saw the many example like they are getting a visa on the third time also, but I suggest never हार नहीं मानो, पहली बार में ही हार मत मानो कि ऐसे ही हाँ चलो पहली बार रिजेक्ट हो गया चलो सीधा कंट्री बदल दे या फिर कहीं और चले जाए. No, don't look at for that. I suggest कि study your profile. Like agents रखते हैं तो ठीक है भाई, वो अपना
Yes.
काम
About the agent. So you came through the agent. So how much
Yeah,
you
like,
paid? Approximately.
I paid almost 80,000 for all the like my apostille and
80,000.
agent fees 15,000. Other than that, like I
Overall 80,000.
overall 80,000.
Good. Because sometimes some consultancies they are charging 2 lakhs.
Yeah,
3
but
lakhs.
they are this. If you are coming in a scholarship program, my agent charge same.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
She told me, like my agent told me to pay the 10% of the whole scholarship to them.
Okay.
Otherwise, I have to pay 3 lakhs.
3 lakhs.
That's a difference.
Because I came the consultancy, they charged me 1.2 lakhs with all the process like
okay.
scholarship and everything. But many students they are like saying me that my consultancy they charge me 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. Like, oh my god, what they are doing?
Yeah,
for
but
the simple
like
thing.
if you know the basic English and you are like eager to do some research and work, so I think you can apply by yourself, and which is very okay. But if you are if you like me, the lazy guy, then I suggest to go for the agent.
Yes, even for me also the best choice is the
Yeah,
agent.
best choice is agent. You can come by agent.
Okay, so thank you so much for sharing your experience.
Thank you
and
for
I
having
think
me.
it will be helpful for those students who are looking for the designing.
Yeah, sure.
So one thing, for example, many students they will not get their scholarship. So because of that, they will lose this chance. They will
Yeah.
decided, okay, let's avoid this and let's go to other course. So what do you suggest? If some students are losing the scholarship, they should come or no?
My concept is like never change your field. Like
Yeah.
I saw many students like who are interested in some like designing and engineering, and but due to their marks or due to any
Some they will-
other reason they are shift to their
Different
course. If you are not liking that, don't go with that. It's just a waste of time of your life of 2 years. Don't.
That's good. Because even for me, in the first time when I applied, I didn't get my choice course. So I waited
yeah.
for that 1 year, and again I applied for the same course. Again I
But
got that
I
chance.
like if you are coming to Italy, I suggest you go with a little bit of gap of 1 month. Like if you are planning to come in September, do all the processes done before before you came here. Like,
So thank you so much, sir. And,
Yeah.
I think it will be helpful for other videos, and we will see in another video to you.
I will be back in the next video, bro.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.